Hello everyone. Hello. Hi. Ko ha wen. Ko ha ko ni ko file atu he me ko na lau mai ko a Tilila Siola'a. Pa mai ki ka tama ko ni ko he global. Pa ko me ko okuori. They're all men. They're all men. These guys are women. They're womanizer as well as they abuse women. Ko me Australia by the name of Rock, something Rock. Yeah? So this guy here, this nigger here, thinks he can abuse Lea Lau Noa to the women. I don't even know the damn ass. First of all, I don't know you shithead. Rokia High Santi Rock. Musiok to Alma Bell or Lau. I think Line from New Zealand na Lau Mahasia na koya the same, but na live in Maya Line Kau Kisia na koya. I think this guy here, he left his wife, left his kids. Look, this is the nature of man. Now abuse and then he come around take Lau my katea. I never once Lau Kiai, but he kept Lau my katea. He kept Lau my beka. If you guys see them, okuna wope or toy bear with the fake names, man, you know, real men, they don't talk shit like that. Those guys, I know now. Julia Rock, Julia Rock, your damn ass, yours. So he forgot nga lemu ngaria. And for you guys, get more my or you know, try to attack me, hell no. Sharon won't go back like that, Mantui Julia Rock. Kapau leva li aki ho fa now li ak mo mari, and then you try to come around ke abuse women and you come against me. I won't allow it. Maino. Mo alpe mo to o nofo pe he fulai manu ko o Tilila. Huka e fulai manu Tilila, kape ke fulai manu ko Tilila. That's the kind of thing of mo fe ma ko mo to. Don't come to me. Na te ke le ko ve ka mo to. But you guys, you know what? You guys are deserve ke hanga kapekape I mo to. I don't like that. But you know it's up to a point. Fe ma we ke ha mo to we or come out and then defend ourselves. Defend ourselves, get my rights, aku. You guys can hang with me, and then you guys turn around to be personal. Hell no. What makes you think? I could live Alila. Excuse me. When? You guys think, oh, I don't have a low-key people around me? Please. When I face my phenomenal my lila and your damn hot people think I got him or my or me. You know what? Sharon here, I have low-key people around me. So whenever you try, come. You damn know my address. How many times I call you? You never return my call. You never answer the damn call, Lila? You tried to talk shit. What happened now? What happened? Kapako fefine ko ke fie coffee, Why don't you come, mafuke mai? Come, you know my address. Mafuke mai. Kapako fefine coffee ko ke hao. Fefine ke ai ke fie coffee. Hao ka hanga afi ko ke ka ngoi hofula ilemu. O mafure helpe. Ko nafko ni Lila. When? This whole time I was the one that protect your ass. People were talking shit about you. You can't even go around and face people. You never once. It was Sharon that faced people like that. Because I don't take abuse. I don't. And I teach my kids, my girls, hell no. No man will do abuse. No. I teach my kids, never rely on a man. That's women power right there. If that's what you were trying to promote, women's power, do it in the right way. What happened now? Alo fa now ki tonga fa ele tonga. And what happened? Because you were muy tau. Huh? You were muy tau, and your kids are repeating the same shit that you were doing. Tilila, what happened? My daughter graduated and she's 25. Of course she she's oh Yahweh. And first of all, I hope PhD, fake PhD homari, eh? Oh, I did more they finger can more finger my moto. Cause you guys, you can't even compare your damn ass. Ilo usi going out more falele mo dongi tupe. The structure itself come from the flower uchama. It's all gonna collapse one day. Huh? You can't even do the math. Go ahead, more. I could PhD on Mari, PhD on Uzi. Well, I'm gonna post. It was only 83,000 a year. 83,000. That's how much your husband made. Got PhD out there. But PhD, and you guys living in a low income, you can't even afford. Get no for a regular house. Eh? I'm not the type to have that noa, but you know what? I'm a low key bitch, and I do my shit low. I don't come and fure money and I get fure so people can think that you have money. That's dumb ass, only dumb motherfucker ass bitches that do that. Yeah? You know the real people why now at the mind they do everything. Their money put in the bank. Their money, their own or show off at paanga. That's only dumbass people do that. Eh? Uneducated people now blast the money like that. You know you do yours, prioritize prioritize the down. Go first thing, go down family. Take care of kids. Eh? What happened? You failed. You failed. You're not even ways hot not even and I'm willingly build it up your fire. Okay? I have the funds for it. Build it up your fire. You can't even do it. First thing I got prioritize it down more. Go ahead. I down more for more down far now. For more I now wacko. Take care of them. Oh, what did I mayo? I but you know what? I can mark the $40. Yes, you know what? The $40, that's all I'm giving. Why? And I wrote I could Sharon more money allow kilo. But now, Osi lava meakoya. But I can finger no for a pound. They'll high out go meakoya. You don't even know. Sharon was the one that helped you at honga. You can't even lava, you can't even do shit. How go to hiki my big yanni beha. Oh, you do not get yours. And I ought to ngawe to like one in my own kako. You can't even last. You can't even last long hang. Because why? Because you're dumb ass. Kono tama ukainga me Pomona area, eh? Okufayato, I look or recruit. Most your hand. In a month from now or two, that damn shit will collapse. Because that's all they're doing now is going recruiting people. If they don't recruit people, they won't get no shit. Como system here, because that's a pyramid, and that's gonna go illegal. Illegal, you have fun one, hey? You know what? Sometimes I don't like it, but it's come to a point I have to defend myself and I have to express my opinion according to my you don't have a ball? That's what come around. I don't have no time to go one-on-one because why? Because they're nonsense. They're nonsense, not only nonsense, but they just come with the hatred. Hard, go now, Michael, now, no point. I urge you guys, if you guys want to talk politics, I'm urging. And by the way, pop my matalem. Gonna go shut ask my matalem. Go out get fret or allow my me clobo. Homo matalemu, go out now at the silini como usi. I got vava. It was me that provided the damn fucking money to you guys. You guys go behave white bangatila. Bangatila no le mummy fee. Heka go bangatila no le mummy fee. Dalana to have by monomata usi. Never once, Yan Banga. Eh? Mo freko na peha me hoka taimini homo kavava. Why? Go talk ilo taimini homo agenda. Mo agenda ko amo to for politikare. Heka wenga tala ka tomi fa mata usi. Furai alo nafo me ai hoeki be furai ki ai o saipe hoeki ya. Ka ko mo me ko fai ko mo shuffle around like this ke mo ma pai ata mai ka kai. Hell no. Mai na ko tala ka tom fa mata lem. Na ne pe ko ha. Na business in myself business first in Vavao. The self was the one that business in Vavao. Donga and Vavao, and then went to Hapai. Oh, now I ufarkoloi Hapai. Get talk my fa hakapaya, I mean, because the self was over here in America, all over. Because you guys are loan, your motherfucking loan everything. Como silinico loan. You like myself? We work for our money and then mama do loan. You know all my vehicles? You like Sharon? I don't do loan. Because why? Because I was taught by my dad. Manage according to my Mina. Manage. And that's why when I came here, I cash pay my stuff. I cash pay all my vehicles. Mina, I never once go out or no or like Tilila and all those ass bitches. Talanoa, when you talk, you know, work your damn ass, and you know what? Sharon don't own nobody. Never. Because why? My father taught me well. I live according to Celine Ma'u Hoknima, that's all. And Ma'u Celine Hoknima, save. I save the money. And when I want to buy something, I cash pay. I don't do payment. I came here. I mean, I don't like to talk high-headed. I came here. Go help if I thought Mercedes at all. Mercedes Benz at all. When I know for Isole, I cash pay my Hummer. Cash pay my expedition when it first came out. Hot one navigator, cash pay navigator. No, I don't. Because you know why? Because I know how to manage my money. Try to know me first before you talk shit about me. Financially, I urge you. Go hamo fetano financial. I will tell you. Go. I'm up the scale now. I'm up the scale. I run a shooting star. In just in 3 weeks, I hit 1.3 millions. You know, but proof pay me banke. Mo my ke ka avi mo doge banke. When you guys try to talk shit about money, I'll take you guys hiccup deal bell my banke. I don't do shit outside. Because I'm legit. Na hela at the mic, moku vivi, nga we moku mari, fakakoi ma fa now. Fakakoi aluke lao. I mean, it's not for me to brag, but that's what it comes to, the real reality of talk. Don't talk reality now, and then you guys loto elo. Because why? Because I know how to prioritize my as a mom, as a parent, or prioritize my go one by one. We don't even come. Hi, you fucking damn ass. Mo how beho usi me hapai lea fie me ai America. Ko toki sio he panga. Nga langa ya te ko e ko atu ka ko ho ha mo be with the lo yosi and I give you $100. You know, I don't eat loyosi. I just help. Ma pe loyosi live because I don't eat that. Na fa ta pe ko sio ko usi. Ka tu ko mo ta no lauta Try to learn to know people first before you hate someone. O ko fo ia au pito he homo whainga mea ko ia. Tilila, I told you. Ko fetakai me ko ke pehe ke ta face to face. You damn know to asila. Why you talk shit? Huh? Why waste your damn fucking time talk shit? If you're a real bitch, come around. Oh, the hell out there. Hi mo. Just you and me. You and me. Look at your damn self. You're such a big, huge lady. Big, huge lady. I'm a petite person. I'm a petite person, but you know what? I know how to trick. They wa fit ipe ho mataremu. Ko fe pe tai mi ko ke tala mai ke ta fitaula ki ai lila. Si o mai ho usika te a. You know my number. You know my address. Well, you have to go ke ave ku to sila ke kakai. No need. Boy, how ke foi. You can come face to face with me. Ko ai pe tau no pe mo ni. Ko ai ke le la ta mataremu ta usio. Waka elo. Fa ake ai ke peheku. Well, like really fia ho usi. Alu ki heke ka vava u fu shato fu lai fulu. Ave ke ka vava u ki heka ka henga mataremu, Mahina ka henga mata us. Mataremu mo tol. Mo mafa ataka helo. Ma osi ilo, you know us here in America, we know you guys little damn trick from tonga. You guys try alake ki he ki akarila ka ki ato musilini. Mo ilo a kai te mola mo to fo mai ya te au ke mo mai usia. Ta mani na atu ko alatu ke api. Ave ke ake api aki fa nau ko nau. Vaitakis kids, Ko atu ke ai ako nau api. Ko hama nau ko. Hama ko tai frai ya kai price ke olunga. Mata us ai pape ko mau to ai atu ne silini lang. This whole time o fari ka to ko ni na manage pe amount ko na. Ko hama mo ha kai ke mo lava o manage. I can follow for business ho si o don't fa alanga fa ko ha ku broke es hon lemu o ai ke to na na te selin e kakai maafi ke ka pa ku oxisi frei al falava and I pa ku sai pe ta lu pe mo Sharon o val pe ko tu ta pe au i va e project pe aku i va I'm a low key pitch pe out. Mahino, I'm a low key pitch. That's what it is. That's what it is. Fie mea, ko hafa mo tano lau tai global. Ko ha mo tai ma we global. Ko ho na ho panga kakai. That's all you guys do. Okay, ke lava, pe ke ngau no si. Ko mo mea ko na. Ba ma ko ka na e tai mini. Ku ta no ani ku liliu I structure in the ta no he to ulo me po o liliu ne tai mini okay o mahino le agenda ko o mo frei mai mo ia ko mo ton fa o frei nga ton pe ki the whole way frei nga ton don't even come through my patoa mo ma fore nga ton o alo no fo mo usi ko mo support me a whole ki frei ki ai he ka va tala ka ton fa frei nga ton o fai ene mea, o fai pea, mea hoiki. Leave the patoa. Don't even use the damn fucking patoa. That's what irritates the fuck out of me. Everything, when it comes to my political point, they hanga kape furet motor, Don't try to use people's head. Maino, kavava, mo furei, shifa mo everything, au ke no pere. Heko mea, heke maho usiko koe tomfa. Ke hao use ai kakai, the patoa believers, Koe kau, o mai patoa ai ke peheke. Taho aki homo usi ko koe mo feao lemu. Fuga lemu koe me elo, saki fai mo elo. Mo furei ato, ai ke use kakai ke mai ke heka mai pato. Sai ku alo ene tamsi ina siaosi ke be on his own. And okay ke fehi awi aki aka Mississika has I rather see people up front than the motherfucking people trying to use us. Ke now heki mai ke patoa. That's the kind of people I hate. I hate that. Which is dumb farmer taremu. He's a damn fucking ho'eki. You know the ho'eki went to Vavau, they all goes to Tonfa. That's why Tonfa is so play around like that. I can use Tautol. Ke heke maha no usikilot. Ko osi peko finga ke lele beni tau mea. Kau hanga e au fai mo hanga promote ya to pe hata. You know what? I'd rather go with Sami Vaipulu. Honestly, because I see Samuel Vaipulu's real color right there. I don't like the fake damn color. The mata usi kona ko tong fa. Koi usi kaka elo. I rather go with the people. Now, you know, about Marley, sayang at the ilo at the enemy, lakang at the ilo at the enemy, the face with the enemy. Thinking you're on the same side, they end up backstab us. No, we can't do that anymore. Oh, and I might more free ya ke almo mo. Mana tu peha ta ufinga ke ka asime pa to ka wa mo mata us. Pai ke mo fai ma mo mata le mo. Ala tu pe tapari ko na me. Ta pa yo ato o seko mo ulu, seko mo ulu pa mo sign mo usi me akoya. Sai apito no reject my me. Sai apito because why? Now tohi aki office can reject you mata usi ko na lila. Oh, and I can oh my lesita me apatoa. Mina sai I finally go tau e kulo tu reject ma mo usi o te mo te ave hinga patoa ke mo ma lesita hinga patoa. Mina ma flat mai ki hen in the same believers to ma mai o tu ke me akone oku tau no ke me afro politikare. Kai how can how you se kakai? Tala tu ki ai matarem. Tala ki ai ko Sharon and I'm around, you know, I don't hike because look at hike out. So I'll because you know what? I know my thing. Go katala mai ko ha bike. I'm not to work out a mo fure mai how tata 1-on-1. Mai ngoa ki heke tau hai. Oh, I bet okay mo I get I lau ta but you know what? And we talk about ha bike. Mo fure mai mo to mai mo. You know my great grandfather? Now we are fighting a lot of pangai. Mahino hapai. My great grandfather fight a lot of pangai or do why I fell a lot of mamonga. Mahino. Oh, that not pay hapai. He go back pege hapai. Yes, my great grandfather na ha we alwatuya ki pangayo. Ma wane ke lot of pangai. Mahino. Mo flat ki he mo to my main mo to my tano la ta I might tano hapai ko hapayen. Us Pico, or not for bell, I make a copy homo type, and I'm, you know, yes, okay, don't give up. But you know what? It's up to a point, Fema pick up kapekape if I let me go now. Fema get cape on now, you not to cup free. Oh, now they make your man abuse, especially coming for a man, Coming for a man, kill my lap here, make a guy, come spare my guy, Never. Women's power. Women's power nowadays is women that work out ass can take care. Money. Appreciate women. What fret my momo tengai lao. Fulai tenga matol kona. Kau hai kana me babau. Tae. Oh, ave mo futenga. O ave mono ngutu mo ngai fa o ave ka fa ka mo kapekape o na to kape mai ka we fure ya ko mo fura la ho fure ure ki ave ka ko mo fa paki ka mo usi he ko me ko kape mo usi he ope ko mo mai ko le mai ka te you know ko mo ava mo usi he me ko global you guys think e ka mai ka te ko na me pe ka te ko kapekape ya mo tolu I never once give talk shit about Motol Muhammad. I get more my personal on my goddamn. Hell no. Kiss my big white ass. Understand? Kiss my big white ass. Apparently, go full usia or Tilila, go full black ass. Full black ass pa mo shato. Oku kai ke lava to. Faka mau enemy. Oku pi. Oku ila fefne if it's going, go out to for plastic, behen. Heck on it, how big I mean, you have a control on the platter. O mimi perfine for plasticky. Come I do it for type, you lotto. Go I don't forget I have a whole like Manu time me go. Come a tattoo, have a music taco mutata. Sharon, no, never. Come I go uncontrolled I homo half a wife like party ko Tilila. Mahina Tilila. I think I have like party from an ifnifi. the damn ngutu. Come here, halfway pe hofu usi and control I hofu bladder. Eh? Tap apita ke te yava maha usi, eh? Pa kone ko taatu, fai mo ke ha. He time ko wolotio, loto tama te nga ha fi ko ke mo usi. Naina Leila, I told you, I'm a very small bitch. I'm a petite. I'm very petite. But I will hire you. I will. No. I get that no la I get that not Sharon. No. I know how to defend myself. When and whenever you feel like I challenge you. Come. Kaka sio ka furi ko ke lue ak foi ulu he hala. Oh, I can get sio Mike, because I'm a petite person, and you guys think then more Mike more abuse it. Where? No. Man, I don't allow no damn fucking man to abuse me. I don't allow that shit. That's out. Never come across. Mina, mo frepe ka men ko mo tomo ka fake ass, mo hingoa fake ass. O peki he ko mo klobo. Who get fu matale mo tilila kapekape mo fake ass, because you guys can't even come face to face with me. What happened to your real name? What? Are you ashamed? You must have a bad background. That's why you guys go hide her fake name. I'm out there off or hide mo see a fake name instead of using your damn name. Go ahead, Jojo Bill, man. I don't know, ya que manda usio fa fret ikai ho kapekape mai no Jojo Bill. Mama mo fret mai mo fake name ke mo kapekape mai. Kai mo mai em ho kutungai kui mui. Line up mai ho mo ka fake name kai ho usi mui ka siko. Ba os siko mo kai. Os siko mo kai. Mahina? Because that's what you guys move me go fe ma go ta ka mo tolo. Mo fake name ke mo ka. Oh ya we. Kaka ki fe fini kon menusila. Ko hai ko. Something better. Kono toko wana Mitchell ko ka ha pai pe I think ka ha pai kana no fo ivaini pele kuonga ka to pele kuonga tapun ho tore ko mo hai na ke natu pi na ha ma wat mo wai le matua mau na ke nga fka le matua no fai pa ha mena hoko ke ngai fo hu pe ko pa mo hoa nga fka ngai hu ngai pi o wa te ke ava ka Sharon mahino aya mata elo mo ai ke ava maha usi so ai va ku pa hi ho mo usi ka atunga ai fai ko velo tu ka ke mo fure i fai mo nga fka pe a la to mo na ke mahino pe a la to tapu ke mahino ta mo wa na tu pi he fulotonga funga fka pele kwanga usta pali kami aku ingat ke mari palang ai. Is that why? Mari palang is so nobody knows your damn history. Vale ngai sosa. Nak ngai fukawi ilai matua and you and your sister partner ko mo ngai pi pe mo ngai hu. Ba mana hoko. Ta pa pito ke ava porque fure leva ki aste ki nusila o mari palang so you can hide, you can even kai ke ma mate ho ma elo ke mari mo ton ta ke o usia. Pe ona mo te ava mai he ko fino mo tu agona o mari ko pa mo brother kona ase I Texas ta ofi he ka hanga furi mo fe fine ko ya o se no ta o si ilo ka to hala furi matakari ko ya mahina na ostala peka ko Nina nayata ava hotore ore aki ho ko fanga sister-in-law kai pa feka ho fanga sister-in-law ke wato o aha ke foi la ko ho mari fa ho na ngutu ka ma kwa ma na usika te au mecho so hi foka ko ku ma ho usi pe ta pe ko mari ho mo remu pa ko meta mini ke mari pa mo fu usuri o te ai ke personal ma mo remu e ko tatu tapu au pitoia Mahino ka mo tau usi tapu mecho matalem Mahina tala ko ki sister ko hai me pele kuanga mai matalem usi elo ko ha Wanoa fefe na mo puna mo time na mo not be ai hai kai pere kuanga wanoa half of my homo fuhi homo ngai pi pa mo partner ko sister partner ko mo ngaf ka le matua kat ka henga na ka man na mo ka henga hai pi ko ya ka henga na ke si ko ke sister ko ni ko o pere ko nga na mo na ka ke mo ko me le mato asio ke na ngai pi ta ye ta pa pe to ko ava mo usi po ona to ake le mai ta mai ko clear ha ko ka yo kusi ma ang mata usi clear ta mai ko clear ke clear ma ang ko usi ho mo wafi mo fure yo o mai me ha pa yo ma no fo i vai ni ma lo mo ma no fo vai ni ke la ko ma mo usi pe ha me na ko ko me atunga ngafukau pa ke ngafukau lawe to mo na pa lawe mo to tapu ke mahino ta mo ngai pi ngai yo mo ngai fu pi pa mo ngai fu lai pi ko taka uri mo fu ngai lai pi no not no ko tok fa ngarien ke ba alo ave ku tamsi ke alo o fa ene sok but how can you talk fine because this whole time I was busy trying to develop my system ko my tol ko ni a shooting star ko oskoni share tu ke a wate me a man tu na poloka ke se ke na fe ngutu lo but they block me ka tuanga ka to tau pe mo na tol i globo. Excuse my language at time ko Hawaii ko o me akoni I tau kolope because I can't go over there ke global. I wish they allow me ka tau ke global ma tau hai pe tau kape so that way we leave our kolope nice and fresh. But you know ko now me afo ko block me. They block me now ka ke lava na to ke no I call them in messenger kai lava na to tali Aki usikona ko fangika usikona kuva ko dad ma no olivia never me olivia ko toto tap me olivia Mina ko dad to come mo ke mo tari and then you guys block me personally mo block on personal page the whole block global what happened what happened you scared the motherfucker out of me is that what happened. You can't even face me, but yeah, you guys don't allow and all this little shit. But that was you guys what? Man enough and be a bitch enough. Face to face with me. Answer the damn phone. Answer the damn messenger. Come out, so that way we clear everything. Or the kapekape. Fava pe mo message kita tau back in my aiwa. Pe fava at mo block who at kiai. Who at ka taki mo to mo ona mo be mo to I no. I hate when it comes to funky kakai pego Siola'a come hell no usi uri mo oni ko kakai ko na mo my ko kilia my usi is more than your damn face lila you wanna kai my usi come kai my usi because apparently my usi is wider than your face kai mo mai ki kai ho kusi kala ma ko kilia ha kusi asi ta si pa ha fule to fulai pari ke mo sio kiai fa ke pari ha mo ai ha ke me mo lau clear my clear you know what the clear my family clear now find out to palas ko sio ko ki nephew aku o fight i palas the German Mina ko German ko na mo tol ko na ko atilia usi ko ha mo ta na usi na la mai tong nothing the south is one that business itonga Mina never I can mo kapekape mai ka la mai clear yes kapag mau clear ka mau mo na furai ma mo ku yo mayo mo ui he sound the sound put business in Tonga o wa fa ava tole ke ta no pa anga ho usi ma ino lila ma ino and I wanted to face to face with you when ka hanga ha fure ho fumatare mu ke ona ke toi sick and tired of your damn fucking ass talk shit. You talk shit too much. Dala no shit, dala no anga, dala no me mau time. Why? What happened now? The connection from Tonga is disconnect. Kaya lama fight no for political because you were Coco, you're not never a creator, never. You only feed that peho atamai. Go ahead now, hik mai kiani. because I'm not a speaker. And I write my shit. Ate information kako. My information in me tonga o my kako. Fit mat kako because you're so good in speaking. O kuke pato he lea. And I give that credit to you. I give that credit to you. You know, I'm not a ke pato he lea. Kapana pot. I'm just a writer. I write what's in here, put it down in writing. And that makes my lea ke tonu. Ko ku lea ko ku kai ke pota he lea ke kalama lele lea mo. You know ke faka ki hangi ko na me ako I ko global ha faka ki hanga ta no. You know what, here in America, what's slang? What's slang? We talk when we talk slang. So what, as long as the palang understand, as long as you understand, that's all that matters. You know, ave homo kalama ave mo me talanoa, you know, those big words, those tongue big words. I don't do that because I don't know that damn shit, and I don't do that. As long as you understand my point, and that's all that matters to me. Mina, because that's what America's all about. That's what democracy is all about. As long as you get the understand, get your point across, that's it. They don't damn care about your damn kalama, FAKATOKANGA mo kalama mo tohi ke tonu mo ose konga koya. That's only in Britain. Mo frei Britannia ayo mo me ko ya ai. To fata no la ta ya. I prepare mo because you're so good in ayo le FAKATOKANGA. Break into pieces, you know, I can get more spicy mo ngai me le big spicy le FAKATOKANGA mo for ho eki shit. When I talk to her, I just talk in my normal language. Oh, mahino pa na tol, mahino pe talanoa, just you and me. That's what it's all about. We're all equal right. Fuck, how far I met behem with my time. I can fuck up. I go beg for poto. I'll poto in what? In words. That's all you know. Hey, Tilila, only could me peko ilo words. You don't even know shit. This damn here is empty. People feed your damn ass. Mahino Lila, hey, what happened? I asked your damn ass. Structure gonna don't million now. Can't even. I took my for fika, porque lava I for fika. Hamna ko. I took ke tala ka tu wata ke my structure ko ya. Nothing. And then I draw my conclusion right there. Because all you need to do is collect. There's nothing. Ke mahino. I alwe paanga. Mo fucky I paanga ke ka investor. Nothing. You don't have you just a one-way bitch. You are never a two-way. Never to go and come back and return. Go for a one-way bitch, Bekoy. And you're so good in that manipulating people. You manipulate people like crazy and they fall for your damn shit. How many so look, the Portland people, they start oh, Sharon been telling Michael how no, I don't want to hear it. As long as I go down, keep it to yourself, keep that to yourself. Then I want you guys, don't fall for that shit. Don't fall for her bitch. And you guys still go for it. Still go for it. Hard go up it. More go hard go up it. Hey, believe in the bitch, the words. You know, she's so good with her words, Manipulate that in mo doy kakai. Best side. Mo fall to hangalila. Kai homo usi. Alila kai homo usi I mo sai out pito. Then I warned you guys damn fucking ass way before. In December, since December, when I left, I warned you guys. Look at these people from Australia. 5 containers. They sweat for that money. The 5 containers to bring from Tonga. Yes, she tell my oku itaya. Return my panga. Mata usi tinai say ka koi ke tuku ho fangi structure usi ko ya. Kana I on my container my pet the most a month. My pet do for how long can I chapters. To have them keep a 40%. Fuck my bell no noa. But because of what? She can't even take that because she's a greedy motherfucker. Called greedy bitch man to fuck hungry money. Never. So gonna make hoko, come hoko. Shabo at the pem uri makayo. Fa ho fu like body uri lila, Mina? I don't have fear poto. Hamak ta ko va ho usi tala mai ka te kakai ke o mai. Ke mai ko uri manu me akayo hanga ko fu matalemu. Ko ke talking my fa ko talo no mai me isune June last year in July. Porque toki hao ko ke tano lau tamai ke kakai ke nau ato o mai ai mea kai. Ho mata usi so he fokuri ulpe mea kai ho ko mata remu. Ayo fa o mea kai ho usi. Pe fa ke tata mo fu mata uri kona mo tol kona mo klobo. Ku hao e kakai o. So he foke si kakai ku na mas te spend. Ko no foke ke lea ka sela. Mani Naka toto ta kasi la kole pa ki ai pa mo lisia. And here they are from Australia. O ato pa anga ka koe. He ke loya ki tanga ai ke ai kum ke loya usi. Loya me fe mo tapari. You can even write a damn statement. Ko English yo hange mata e. I'm fab too, but at least I te lava kita ai hamea. He? Ko ai ke tala no pe ai ho mari ai ha to ke ta mo said it. I met him once. Te whanonga peko te whanonga peko ne tāna koe iloko fu dumb ass. Musat ke nei now ai fu ene polkalama ko na sai tuke na nao mo tau rila. Na nao homo usi sai apito tuke kai homo mo ui. Kana wala tu ai aluki pomona tamau aluki go up to hill. Go up ke feitu Victorville. Sai ke alatu ki ai ke Victorville, Kau ta ia te ko is ilawi api kona address kona ko molona iongi mana tui na ke kai e paanga ka kai kona homo feitu ai ke mo aluki Filipino. I'm gonna hunt you. Ko me ai ko fehi ai mahino. Yes ko mau tua sila ko ne au ki ai pato atu ala te ka police ko mo me au fai ko ha illegal. Ko alatu mo me ai ko programa ko na mo ai ko programa ko illegal. Mahina ai ke mo ilo mo tae. Ko fe ia ko ai tala mai. Pe ha ka ni ta no ko pe hena o si lesisita. Lesisita is just a damn city. Lesisita. O ko ikai ke license ai global in the state of California. There are not lesisita here. O ko ga license ai global in state of California. Ko Sharon Mina Foundation pe mo kolope o guai aku legit iheni o kulele ai proklama ko a shooting star o mahina because why o wa feta no ala ta mo fulei o ai mo license ke state ke mo legal mo me aku fai ke legit mahina what you guys doing now ta umata mo ki me ako na ka umata behave umata don't try me mahina umata. Because I'm going to do shit. And you guys going to go run the street without naked homo. See? Try to stay in my good side and my love side. Owa na mo te ai hake mea. Kono toi o mai hatoe for voice clip o kuava mahatore. Mote ulo umataha. Maina? I'm gonna warn you guys damn ass. Pete o fai ai polkalama ai umataha I next Saturday. Mo warpe ko asya tuai. Ko ku fenga yani ke ona to fai me ko ya ko scam ko kakai o te mo scam me kakai pe o te mo fai me ko fatatau me ka usta e kona gorila. Usta e uri ko ya gorila. Mahina mo walk in a good side of me and stay in a good side of me. I can be a good when I'm in my good term, my good spirit. I'm a good person. I love people. I love to help, and I love to whatever I can. I go film out yes, I can actually contribute what I have. But when someone come can o Tapula Siola'a I can't stand that, and I won't go back. No. I'm not like the person that can love inhale what's the good words for it? Kataki follow up, Katak. No, I don't. Go for here, I'm abuse. I don't like that. Fuck. And then here you are trying to be a holy moly, get the behave because your family, because of your because you ke hototonga animo me. Ka sere. Mo fure tak ta nofo Ava peo no tole kono fulai usi. Ava haka freha koto fulai usi o fa hoto ngutu. O fa ava alo mo usi. Pasi he kwai ke no fo ole atu. But te le atu awia ke kakai kona ku ava ma na usi because I don't tolerate that shit. Mina, I don't tolerate that shit. That fucking abuse. Tell you, lea pe mai ke ta kai ke mo maheni. Lea mai ka I never once talked to you, but never tala no at pe ko lawa ka mo tolu ka mo ava mo ho usi. What the hell? What the hell mo tolu ya? No. I don't take that abuse. No. I was taught to be strong. My father taught me well. Que loto lai, que never te hawa da abuse ha toton. You know, ko hau ko fefine Maria. I've been married for 28 years. 28 years. My father taught me well. My mom taught me well to know my responsibility as a wife. To know my responsibility as a mother. But when it come across abuse, no. That I won't tolerate that shit. I was taught to offer to my in-laws. When I go mari go family Sekona family tokolai. Never once. That 28 years go mari that I have problem, but they reject kavega. Never once. Because my mother taught me well. Offer my in-laws, offer them whatever they want. Fire kavenga kiai. Ave ho fa now know their responsibility can now go serve and now for me tanga. But once they are cross abuse, no. And for a family, can now my otala mai ke tuku moe can now control how they find a maneuver for politikari mo te mea. My father said, no. I taught you to be strong. I brought you here to America so you learn a structure no for fonuani. And I'm glad my father brought me here. And I'm strong. I'm a strong bitch. I can inhale abuse. That won't do it. I won't take that shit. And it will never gonna come across me. I'm glad I married a real man. I married a real man. That man did his responsibility. Never. Never can my fan now. Because why? Because when I'm in my shoes as a wife, I serve my husband right. Broken family. Because you don't even know your shit. You weren't taught well at home. Nofo iapi go hete fan now. Dalak hete fan now. Mo serve mo in-laws. Serve them right. Offer now in-laws. Offer him mother-in-law. Serve the mother-in-law. Kako mea peo ko ta ofi. Ko mea ko ke now my opulei ha aku toi for my religion and my political beliefs. No. And my husband knows it. When I put my head into something, I'm going to do it. I respect my husband. I love that man. He's my man, my one and only man. Mahino kakoi Tilila, that's our difference. My husband was my only man. Many mans apply. Many mans apply. Because Sharon loved my husband, my one and only, the father of my kids. Father, one man. Because my mom taught me well. Keep, and I keep it. My girls, they're old enough now. They make their own choice. They're adults. My nana is 25. Ma when toke talao, hene ta wafa. But who the motherfucker are you? Keke church ekutahine koya. Ko kai teke nofo tonga isoki he. You fail. You're not a mother to your kids in Tonga. Your kids fa ele. Here's the poor mom. Kai teke lava I me ko to tonu ko ke ulwaki mu'a. Because my structure going my chapters going ikolope. I told them, family first. Family first. Tonga I mo fa now. Ko mo silini mo I me mo fa now. Fa ko mo fa now. Ko ne toki ai ha momo, but toki o mai. Even a $5 When we talk about religion, na e fau e sistemi a ko I tala no ko ki uito, ha me na hoko na mau inga ia e ki pe ki peni ko e uito. That's all it's all about. Ko me ia ko fau aga me ko ni ko kolope. I don't need no man can help her ta can help lack my help la wafe. No, I want you, my members, take care of their family first. Put their kids to school first. Mina, ko me ai, owa ai ke mayo show off paanga. No, oko sick ya se kakai ko show off paanga. I'm sick. I don't like that. Annoy ka te au ke sia kakai o now. You know, class and now paanga. O kai ke sa ya me ko ya. Ko me ai mau ki me ko na mau tolu ko ni a shooting star. My goodness. May one mano in only 3 months. 3 weeks. I see collected. I see ma ko fai via e ku ka memi pa. Mo si o ki hani kakai. Ko ki ka memi pa ko ni a shooting star. 120 only. 120 only. And then we hit the 1.3 millions. I don't go around. O kai ke alu to uki kakai mo me. No. O kai ke pehe structure ya ko system shooting star. No. Ask my members. Peko sio ki me mi pa toko te awa no ko ya. Os ma koleka ke pe now. Ko now donation ni ia. Hey Tilila. Just my shooting star members. Now donation ni pe o my ko me wa mano in 3 weeks. Kake ai ke hapso ke osia maman osia. Osia americano alo recruit yo. Ma ia halo fu usi. He puna ki he. Fa uri ki he. You guys are dying hard to move frase sere. He recruit kakai ke lava ke mo ui. Not the shooting star, honey. I actually hold people that si galeva ke osi ke graduating to te wanoa. Graduating for to wanoa next week. Now alu mo now silini. And then here's the other alhaka me wataha alhaka na toki olunga. Ko anga ya mo wi anga ya ko no structure ha fainga systemi fratupu paanga. Faka se sele mo lawe fonuani ke mo ilo pe legit me ata e kona ko tilila pa mo tok mafuru afka mo panga. Faka vare ngua elo. Mase. Pe ko ai pa sai pe no kai e tilila mo panga pa kai ke oso mo tai. Sai apito So that's what it is. Mina, Sharon, and my group, my shooting stars, only at 120. Forever makuloki tamano, you the number is 12600. 12600. Lele ya monite. Who gave tamano? I flipped it to 100%. Mina, I got 3 cycles. After your 3 cycles, you out. Because that's what it's all about. You via your members. Now Mao now Silini now Alu. Togoni now to now my family. And that's why they willingly put money in a donation. Because the system built the system like via kakai. Now Maui. Now talk Mao now Silini but donating. Yes. That's all I need. Flip it back if I talk that one no akoni. I shouldn't start. Ma was silinico. They go with 100% home. Mina, cause me okuori. Let's sit at mine. No bitch, no dick. Try to copy my shit. Mina, oh gosh, I hold my system. Her system is 100% interest. Now, a good friend of my in-laws, they start to fanongo for system. Dangerous for system. He go alu ke compete with banque. The banque only give you what? How many percent? If you put $100 there, you come out with what? In 1 month, your money is gonna go down. Your money doesn't go up. My system, gonna flip your dollar te out or 1 out. That's 100%. Baku dangerous ecosystem. he ku o hau ke pai e ku me ako e sistemi ke whalere aki ke kau Filipino. Yes, te millionaire ka pau te alu ke kau Filipino. Because I will have people left and right. But I hold it. I told my, I tahan mai. No, te tuku pe ke kolopepe. Me mi pa ko e kolope. It's hard to convince a kakai when they come in with a large amount. But yes, my members got their money. Pero me ako appreciate their for ito te one noa. Not for penau to loto ke generate and now silini. But now out. 3-round cycle, they got their money back and 100% out. Kaya nga we mo nga no structure ha me afratu paanga. Helila na kalkulasi a Sharon America. And then my 3 girls, na kalkulasi per mo na wa ya na high school pe. I'm a father. When I came from Tonga, I was a young teenager. But my math was good. My husband's math was actually excellent. My husband, na CVUE, percenti down in the CVUE fika. Ke ha mo ki tanoa, tanoa usi. Ke tanoa lau tae. Fie mea. Koe ha na ustake ta tangutu, ka tanga fika iha mea. I urge you mo ki kau mea. Come, let's put numbers down. Kata fika, mo go lila. This whole time you talk shit too much. You talk shit too much. And I urge you, when we'll sit down, o maya foi palpalem kata solova. Lila, koe ha, tuku peho ki atamai your empty head, because you don't have here. Everything was put in here. You're never a creator. Never a creator. Como me ako na ay como copy me ako ujama pe amo flower. Sharon? No. I compete with the investment. Mina, me ako ta no ki ai when we talk highly like that, when we're up the scale, talk shit. O wana apito te ke ai ke ta no lau ta mo ki ka. Tong fure. Man to o ko wipe mo to ko tong fure. He fure ha ke mo to. Asio ke most for man to ko now structure ko now tolu. Now kamata ke to 37 I think. I got valu fitu. I for to. I live ko kilalo for 40 kilalo. They have to look for like 4,000 spot because for slot here. 5 kilalo. Ko ha me mau. Ko tanaki ka lava ke alu katoki olunga. Pag ha me ko e collapse use me alu kilalo. Eventually she's gonna run. She's gonna fucking run, and you guys gonna put that. What? That's 31st April. Is it April or May 1st? Como que structure mo tolu ko ba me uchama uchama pemwe flower. Never creator. You never a motherfucking creator. Mahino ka ko lila. What take it? Oh, no. Why you leave your house? Ha, tafu. Ha, tafu. He fao ke pahi ka kai o tala. Ai ti hanga ta. Ha. Ha ke le got ka tafu. I see you pe. Take if see I'm short. I'm not a big humongous lady. But I know they want fit ya ko. Pero no ngai pe ako lila. Ke kapekape ho usi every day. Day and night. Kap ho mataremo. Flay ho usi. O ke takon ko fae ki tonga. Kona ko I give you offer. I can actually build he kolopea fare ke no fae. Ka a fae si a fare. What happened? Ke fare ho tongane. Motu kai lava o toi whakapaanga. Because why? To was focused Sharon. I told million na. Nakamata la ko paanga. And then what happened? Question my kauta my office tonga. Because paanga lahi me se. And then what happened? You twist. Ke twist lewa ko. O te ai me ai ke ka ave ke tota ke. What happened? Ole ke e to ke kautongi tupe. What happened? Ko ka ai mo hingoa he me ai mo hinga ai hingoa o lila he panke. Ke ka ai hingoa ki fe fina me ela ei. What happened? Kame o kake ai homo hingo ake ke manu. Sugar Sharon. I've here. Hang on, Sharon, Sharon Mina Foundation. I'll make it. Legit. Because Sharon don't. Oh shit. Mine. Lekoti is good. Mahina. Come here, go lava. Do business when I was in Alaska. I do business with the state. I follow Alaska. Because my record is clear. Oku clean lekoti. Come here, go lava. Do business with the state. Mahina lila. I can mahina go mo funky varkai tae. Yes, they talk higher at I mean. I'm sick. I'm sick a bit of Mota Michael Varengua. Give Varengua, Okulava. Give Varengua. I'm only lagom. Give Varengua, upon the Varengua. Kake the lava. Okumatenga, eh? Go Varengua, now Kumatanga, where he lie. Mine, go how can he? You guys are still move no for pay here, Dolai, Tani, Mam, with Dolai Tavalo, eh? Fat, I didn't have any dollar one in my own. Not even last, so if you know, Mala ear behai. Mala ear, could lava last long. I couldn't me for finna for fear, fita, kapekape, fita, but my food in my house, fita, my tell. And so yak, yo yak have me on like manuke. They tell you the fiake uskoya. Fair bet I milk fear. Now, us my eye. Sharon, or go Tagayol back for school. Or go Lua Tagayol. Ne osi ilo fokusi o ko alma pe fokusi o ke studio. Apa na o mai ke mata ma fule ang ke studio mo fe ngai. Ma si mo ang ki ai ka pa mo fe. Ka se mo to office pa pe pa to ka bloki o se mo ta e. Ke ila me ko ta ta no when shift our damn shit into gangster. Ko shift ya ke pe o se mo ta e o mo ta no ta mo ta no usi. Oh, I had to mock up them and go make it taco, Sharon, Mina, Sekona around. When you guys want to come, make it that I love me. Be my guest, eh? Be my guest, go mock out loud that. Fuck it. Oh, my. I'm see a motoke, Lua Motae. How better I ngutu. Go tell Alba to go, eh? Go out. O si ave kume aki panke, si totong e kakai ko ahoni. Kaya nga me when you deal with people, totong ite honest ke kakai, eh? They keep it words. Talat ka na to enau silini. Ave enau senit, mga me akoya. Ka awa ai ke pe ta no le ke kakai. Heku hai kakai o mai silini ko usi. Eh? So ho kito o nga ya upe he. Kone aya tu pe ko ku me aku ta mai ko ka ke totong e ko. Mata ta. Tilila mata ita. Fura yo ave silina kakai mo mata usi. Ha fa ho le mu panga kakai. Mene ko ke aya mo hatai pake. Manini ia kai mo uya kakai mo ta. Ma fio ave panga kakai ka tu wa kai mo uya kakai mo. So hi fo fula pari ko al peke fa la yo fu mata usi. Eh? Tilila Shahi fa fu like lemu ko alu peke fa la yo ngema fu kuri ko tau mai pe fu like mene ta te ke para ku ya fu afi fe la ko fu usi uri pe ku fe uri ko fu mata lemu kai ta pu ke tai ko fika 907-350-8884 motherfucker eh you damn know my damn number usi aga me I ke ma fole mai flat mai Fura in my fucking Tilila. Fura in my car. Hi, Horemu. Eh? But I take a fan now. Eh? Rock tongue, I call her fan now. So if on now funky party, you can yiki. Kayo fa ere. Pero kaya iloi pa fa ere ka hai. Fa ere tu tamak pe ha fa now. Pe kaya ha mo fa now. Eh? Usta ea. Go fa pa. Go ha fa. Ha ba au kia. Family sika. Ko va kai ko na avio, ho fa na ho mene ho na usi. Oh, kaya family sika. Ava la tai. Ava pe to le me. Me fa politikale pa ta fi ai na. Ha family on. Fa pa ho fa na. Dani na ke ha ke americani o kom ha ure pe ave ha pa ki tonga. Ha pe ko como ure no ia lo pe ni. O fa pe ho usi al pe ko o waste pe pa nga i he. Casino. Mai na tilila. Tapula, oh, tik ai koe mea koe nā, Maino, whai holo peho como ule, uri holo takai holo heni, koe ka tā, ha karacho, nofo holai ho usi, periperia, usi uri, tanea uri ho usi, ko ha mana hoko, naka wha ere pe, naka wha mari koe, wha ere hoki whanau, wai, taha ua, te kai ke whai ke mo mari, ko mea kui koku wawa hola ho usi, mui tau mo whanau hoka koe, Maino, o te ka te yawa maka te awe ku, nofo ho usi pe oko tau ek whanau, whako ek whanau, ai ke mahina mea koku te tuu ai ko, mari pa te, nofo ai ko whae, tau he mea koe ia, Maino, Ofi manga kanga kai ho foi mata. Fu fe fine lahi ko kanga ho foi afi. Ofi manga na ho usi he tai min mo. Hava tore ho usi. Kai ha ai ko pa fe to ko fa lele ho usi. Pa kai ma ke tal lele ta fe taulaki. Kai hava ho tore. Kai ha. Ili fia ho usi ka ku ke au leva. Nele ho ko ai ho ki lai vi pa ke. Tala mai, Sharon, lele mai ke, kau lare atu. Ma wha hela longo a he bope. Ma wha pe ho tore, ma wha pe ho usi uri. Pea ma wha pe ho usi, te tāna ki ha mea ke whao ake remu ho whanau ki tonga. Maina? Ayo, ngā wei ho remu i Amerika, ke ayo tauhi ako o whanau, pea tauhi mo ho whae ki tonga. Ko fie nei ako ma fure holo a tala noa panga, he ku ke lava ho mea kou totongi ke whae ko whae. Tapuni, pea ko ki fefine kona ko hai ko lesieri mei asteria. Ave o ki itama kona ko gloya, so hifo ko hono fula ikete, lele pe no fula ikete ana puria hono tui, puria lai pia, fela ko ke ma hane siana ana. Como wama mo toka ki tahine, o ku talavo ki tahine pa usino saia. Mahino, o kwalo mo fenga hake, ka hanga nana hai ho mo usi. Tai ta nofo o fautu hono lemu o tauhi ene whanau, pea whala koi ke tonu ho mo mea. A koi ho mo whanau ke tonu. Maina Tilila? Whai e mea usi tau, he nake usi tau pe, nake whaere tu tā maki. Taha moe ua, pa ke toki mari kona pea moe paula. Pa ko hea mea unafu kia paula tai min mo whanau. Nafu holo pei hala. Maa lo moe mea kona e pure angake na uo nofu ki ai. Koi tau kawe ho tala noa pa angahe kuke, langha api ke. Ave ka o whanau. Toko ofa masiva moe usi elo. Raki masiva ko o kita. Ha meu tamai toi tapu. Ofa raki o wha peko ofa ke o tua. Ofa wa koto neipa. Ko neipa na te hanga konohi. Neipa e te tamai. Mo e te whae. Ko aika te tātou toi. Kumi neipa ke tokoni ke neipa. Ko aika kai ke tokoni. Ai mea nai homo hifo hofulai manulahi. Fulai. Ai ke le a fie mea. Alo fulai. Ako na kei ho whanau. Ke ai lai pi o taufi. Taufi lai pi. Maino, o wai o komo no ai holo ule kakai mari. Usi elo. Koe ai holo ho whanau o komo holo ule kakai mari. Tapari. Tapu au pito ke awa ho usi, Ko whanau, ko nau fulua, ko lalahi whanau aku. Tau ani mai. Ko ha ho tai, ko ki whanau ana nofo tonga, ke toiha. Tengai mahaki uri e nau kai. Pea ai whalelei, pe nai whaere pea ke nau tamai. Heu ke furai hore mu, ma wahe mei api. Ko tamai o nofo i api ma whanau. Pea ka pau e whai ai tamai, ko toi atunga ho toi, ma fure noa ia holo. E ke atu ko hai whaere ka ho ki taine, koe ke ilo. Ki hongo ki usi kota ko nai tonga. Kaya ilo po hai ko hai tamai, ko hai tenga ilaho nai o komo foi kate ki ai. Pea ka pau, toi foi kate peko nau tamai pa ko mata lem. Ava holo ho tore, raki foma papa ho usi ke mau. Mahina Tilila? Mono hap. Ko fia lau he ko na kake tai ha ulei, fuska uni ho komo. Tilila? Kamo holo hore, ule kakai, koe ke tohe kakai holo heni. Koe mea koku, ma wha ai ho fulai le muka ke lava, kontrola ho fulai pari. Mimi holo pe, Kono uhi ngā koe ha, ko hau mai ke taimi vai ko, ngā lemu ho fu usi ko atunga ya tau he taimi koe. le mua tau no ia holo. He ko uncontrollable timing. Ha when ko hono no a kape. I think was like 60 or something. Eh? Ko kai lava control fu like le mu. Hammo pe fu like le mu. Alu pe vai. Eh? Ko me toi holo. Nam ho hongo takai holo. Fu me akai. Faka ma. Ko tau kavi ho ma fa holo ken. Kakai he ku lava. Mono ha tae hongo tu me. Kai ta. Ko asi ye. Fakahela ko fie mea. Mata itae. Furu lai tau ho tupake. Fela tala mai. Pe me fakakai ta ko tamai na fai hos. Fela ko ana ko hanga ko hosi. Ko hanga fu hosi. Ko ia. Mo ko hafikas hosi ko. Hafikas hos. Alu leva te tamai fai ma hosi. Pe mai no leva ko se ko hanga hosi. Ka ko fai ma hanga hosi ka te I don't. No. I don't tolerate that. Te kape a hole mu a koto. Day and night. Te kape o usi. Mai no tilila. Sharon yen. Mai no. Kai te step my hole mu o ya te am. Te hai faka. Te hai ho usi. Pa kai la ho tonga ane kona I Portland. Os ai eku foi toi ave ki heki office koni Salt Lake City. Ave ki ai because he was a bishop. Using a map here. Oh, you say my fight hell. Hook ake kakai. Kai lava ke mo mafa mo remu mo to olunga ka tama olunga make the money. Flank kakai ko ilalo. Ko aku navu panic ki kai ko ni ke mo iloi. I am a what iloi me ko lau ko me ko one man band. Yes, I am a one man band. Te fuck el moto. Mai no lila mo ki kakai ko na. Yes, one on one with me. I don't need anybody else. Just me. Only Sharon in my head. Pok atamaipe. Te fahi akamorebo. Tapo apita ke toi ma fa usi. Ke toi rea hol horemu. Na amai pe ke hau. Ki fuskoni. Ke tau pe mo koe. Ke ta ofi horemu. Ke ko fe fine fatu ta makko. Na kai ke palani ke mamai ken ko mamai ki ke graduate matahine. Me lao. Mama e pe staka hen me ani maas. Ka ke tongo fu ke fa puna. No fa maki fa nau i Alaska. Ka ma no fa tu hen. Tok fitala pe ma fa nau siulai. Mama ke ni ma no fa lo pe hotel. I know. Yes. Sharon, I thought pe Sharon no fa hotel. No fa pe hotel. How pe me ai no fa up. Sen Jose. Ka me ho ka mo tolo. Mo fure I holo pe fure ta ka holo pe. Mo furei holo pe mo ta no paanga ka kai pe ke mo lava no fa me akusai fa uri me akusai ka mo ta no paanga he o pe mo le mu fa fo fua ai pe fa fo fua me ko ta no la ta he kwai pe ka kai so ke ka kai ko atamai le te never come ta no pe he o pe o bless na paanga mo o fila mo na mo tupu a fi ho mo le mu itonga never see paanga itonga. Ka mea ko vale ho mata he sio he panga pa ke to ai pe ya ke panga no pe ha panga hore mu pa fe panga ya fe panga ka to tonga kai ko ni ko ave ke ka ko na kwa panga mu ha no ko ki to tonga container ha no ko ki to tonga ka kai ko ke oki ai he usi he us perperia ko Tilila tapari uri fura I mai mo tamai fai hos Afi kanga na ho fu matale mu ke ona ke toi fakahia ake fu fe fine ko nga lemu pe fu usi nga lemu ko ke a ke ono no amo pole fu holo pe pa ha mo ke fura mai ka ta fu fa mo ta fu ke fa mo sia mamadi ki fe fine si kanga fe ho fu matale mu fu fine lahi ko io na ku onga e ku tala hui ka te ko pa na fa e korfa mo more ka te ko ka na fo pe kai pe tuku ho me au fai tuku le vale le timing kata tau pen ke osa uto mahino tau pen pa kata elo ba ko taka ko fai mo ke fure I mai ke a mai ke a ma ho usi ka te a ka nga fure I hore mu ka nga hokka I fo ya fike ma fure ma ho matare mu fie me usi elo fure alo tonga I ho fana mo fai tonga kai mo ki kakai mui holo ho usi. Ko mo me fai ko kai pe kakai ko ni olunga. Kai so ke mo fere holo kakai lalo. Peko ai ke ma na silini me fe. Ko me ko ku ke vai ia holo ha fulai pari. Alu ki fe. Eh? Holo ko fai hono fai ko hono recruit ko kakai. Peko kai ko ke ma ko kakai pe ha me hoko. Mo tangu to ke peko hala mo usi na nao ha ko mo usi fa ho mo ngutu. Eh? Ko me ko ke ki kila kai mata kakai. Takai holo ko vai ia fulai manu. Lele ki ten va. Komo ko fulai ki ten va. Ko me ko ke gava ki ko to ane ten va, eh? To ane ko na o mai American mo ni fa na to ko fitu waf ma fitu. Ko me hoko. How pe ki henu to ane kumo no api. Mai no. Fulai ki ten va. Ko me ko ngawe. Si ai pe api hok to ane mo ni ki fa na. Pa ko ila ki ta no wi ka te au Sharon ko wi ka te au. Pa ko to ke ta. Furai kwa ke ta no te ten va. Te ki ai ha tonga. Tene ha o ma o 5.0. Ko Sharon si pe ko my niece Sharon wi ka te au. Eh? Lo tonga ko to ke ta medical ki ta ni ko my niece. Ko ha ho tapari ai ke ta no me ten va. Mari ho kunis ala tu peki ten va ave. Mari. Fai mari i fare wala ka hotel, eh? Ko ha mo tai ko ha tai ai ke ta no ki ai. Tapu au pito. Tala noa i ho level me ako uke lava. Mahina tilila. He ko mata usi uka ke ma. He uka ke lava ho ta e honi mau ala. Na ha ke ta e ke os. Ka ku ke hori ko ke na ko ta e kakai. Kakai ke blak saka ma ho ta e ke ma. O te ke ava ko ke lele ko ki ho ku tonga ane i ten va. No fo ya hai mo ne ki fa nau o ku na wa nau api nau no ma fure holo ko e henio kai holo kai ke toha mata usi I henio emo ho tae ke ava ke kakai mahina me nau no fo ki ai mahina ona ke toha ava ho tore tala ke ai mahino ila o te mo toi ta no me ko fa lotu ila e sas mamonga tupu me hala furi ka ma ko me ko tato o te fa ki tano ko me falo tu he te tau fare mo ko me falo tu ka ai ke tala me ko that wasn't me pe ko hey ko ta mai ko fo piso pe hala furi mai no pa ko ki tonga ni ko no ko te ko piso pe laska family loto mau tolu ka ko au o ko fe ya ai ke hata ke ha ta plasia ha ko toton te ka pe horemu mai no pa ko I can me ape ha me ko tilila te hanga hai pe ho usi ko ku ta nafo pe heni ta nafo pe heni ka ta sio ki ai ka hanga hai ho uto o ana ke te ai ke to me hake me o hake na we e ku ofa ho usi na ku ofa ho usi ka ayo protect holo horemu mama ta holo he me akona night club mo me toi horemu ko fe fine li fia sai fo fe fine la ko ka pa na ma wa ho la hi ka I fia au ka tau mo siana tau mo me tau hai ka mana hoko ho ke nai kala pu ke toi horemu me ha ta ko na ka te ke lava fu huka ke tala no la ta ma fole ha ke keo na ho usi ke ma na fo o tau ho ngaremu pe mo ui pe ikai to hai follow mo ui ho fu ngaremu uri usta ea na mo poto ane fe ia me ngavale kai ta kana but awe tala mai nai tala ea ya ko ha kono mari ku me ha kasino ai 5 me ko lo elo kana ai ka me mi pa na mo na fa fu mention mau ha paanga ko me mi ko ki o si retire ho mari retire ho usi ho mari ko de ki me aka vautol 83,000 a year usta ea Ata fai ho tala noa, ai ke pehe tala noa, haili pehe poto no mari, o alu ka no mari he kau ka kai o kuarea i ko me kasino. Ha we fe fine a fai ka mo fai fo lo e lota tuku. And only stupid people believe that. You must have been fe mama halo ke kakai. Ke fa tonton mo na utona to pa ma na tuya ke fine ne lo elo. Fe fine o lo elo aga fe ai ke ka no mari e me o na no fo ki it's a little piece of shit. Na no fo ai no fo fe tu kwai da low income. Fe tu ka uri he ai ui ko ke to na no fo ai. O kui hani ko keto, the cattle. No fai ko me no fai. That's for people lives in that area. That's people. O mama aya reni mo ngai me ko in that area, in that neighborhood. Ko me no fai. Tala no we ta no la ta. Bam. O wana ha ko ostala ke ka member. Tapo. Ke fure mai ata me. Tong fure ke na hu mai ata ka me ba to ta wan no. Fekawe tong fure ke na no beha fure e ha na mata usi yang na mata lemu ke to pe ai Tilila. No. I won't help those assholes. I won't have time for that. Not gonna have time to help bitch like ka dickhead mo ngai. Aku toi hori ang ai fu ma tu tangata. Ko ha. Mo fie uri ma ka tau me mo wa ma mo tore. Oh, ke fie uri ko mo ngai ma mo usi. Ko me ko fai mai fetu taki pa na now ma tu a fater fai na to lu ko ka ke o na fo na usio tak ta fe ur ko na mai mat pa o na ko na mai mat ko fo ko wila fo pe ko ta ko ta no la ta ko lom ko ma ok mat ko na ba ta mai ko ya ko fai nga mari pa ko frai pe ko ke o no fu ta ngai ma ki ko ta te ha post Facebook a mai no ta no fo no usi ta no ko no mari ta no fo mo ne fa na ha fa to ai me ta kai ko mo ta sa ta wa no fa ta hu ni fa na pa ta no fo to nga ni pa pare mo ne family mo me to pa mo ta Tilila ka kapekape Tilila mai no o te mo to nga mo to ya ke ku ko Tilila ka ke to na ke o ka to na ke fine ko ke tau pens down at kono atamai ko fine ko to ko pe mo to ka te ko talatu mo to ko pe mo to ka te ko fine ko ya he ko ha ko ki he ni o ma feohi ko fine atamai hake ai ko ke pe ko maalunga ai ko ulu maalunga ma o mo to pe ki he mo nafo pe mo to ke ta fa ki ka nga nafu pe fine ko ni kane ila no nafo pe ko ki he na ke tu usi afi o te ke fa ta no paanga he ko ke ya fi pe o ku ke ala ko silini akakai mai no Tilila usi peria matai fai hos ho tamai mai no o kai ke ule ko fa he fineki he ku fai ko fa tala no me fineki kai vale la pe fineki tai o fa fe fine and that's why we willingly ke mau o ato o ai ha ki fale a fineki he ko fineki o si fa o fa fineki fu fa fine ko mai ko mama ni americani akakai ki americani that's their first thing when their parents are still in Tonga. That was their first thing at the time no mo kakai ko nga we live in mo be collecting their money langa now api ke Tonga I tamai mo fa not the bitch the fat ass bitch ever since he gave me all she ko ne me pena fai ko kai ure takai holo kai tu ai ko takai holo kai ke ne sa tu ke me no fa ne fa ke te hau ke fu fo no ko ni o nga we ke mau hasilini o ai mau pe ke mo ai fa o ku si ke mo ui Tonga kai fura e to fe lau ma u ko via fe fine he casino pe ko o sa ke o so mo panga no ave ke casino kai tu ke mo kai ho mo tae mo usi vale ko tala mai ka Australia e na tang mai ka Australia e na panga he more kai pe ke mo tu ka mo tae he tong fure tu ga na hanga Tilila fure mo usi fure pe mo usi ke mo ngoi vai a pe mo le mo no fiu fasi olo mo to wa fe mo tala mai ko film to oh my gosh ko fe fine ko fa she contact me the mai ko for slot fa noa that's 3,000 times 40 but I can't help you tama ai ko mo like hanga ujama ai ko na ma ko ya oska pa to rotate pe to ai ko for slot fa noa fine eki ko tanga sorry I can't help you he so ko fa nga format fo ka ujama mo flower o se ko me apa to fa ele pe ko ala I come with the 500 and you get the 4,000 you can actually use that 4,000 to buy a multiple of 8 and then when you buy the 8 you multiple 64 to albe he o mo vete pe that's what it is so I ko fina iki na how agmone se niti o ska pa to multiple o to lahi pe he ngai spot ya ka anga sini pa na fina iki how ki ai Paku fa mo ani. Paku kai te fe ma ke te kau no awi ai. O kau no pa kanga ka pe to tai pe tilila. Ke ka pa fure to tai pe tilila. You know, o ko to ya tilila to tai ke o se no usi, tai ke homo lemu. Tai yo. Ma ko me ko tala te ko ke fai mo ha. Ka pa ku lo to me. Ka mo usi ka hanga. Hai ai pe tilila ke o se no me afia COVID American. O se no me afia COVID. Da tukwa. Okay, sai kau an. Iyo. Kau alu, heu tau e tamsi. O vai nga fogo tamsi e soka. Helila, se mama ta. O ko tamsi na vale no ano. Challenge tamsi alo vai nga no fa. Me ko o Monica o taimi. Mo Monica o ivi, mo Monica panga. Como mo support it fan now. Ko alo kau ke alo graduate ki tai ne ko no ko graduate me Alaska. Na alo ke East Coast, alo he vai ki Missouri. Mo o ka tai mi. O ko prioritize ko e ta mo ko fa mo ai ta fa na mo na wa ko mo ngai me pe. Ko me ko ta la to ki fa le ava ma hotore, he ko te lava fa ho me ko ta ton ki fa. Okay everyone. I will talk to you guys. Excuse my language, but when I shift my excuse me for kapekape, but you know what? She deserved that. And those ass bitch, dickhead, they deserve that. Oh, I found now for my kakatea ko no o lea kanau tol, All right, everyone. Enjoy your weekend, and then take care of your family first. Ko ke fe mau ko tu ga ko lope, fe mau ta ai ta nak pa ta tol. Mahino. Work for your family first. Ko togia me tu pe ko ke develop ki me ki system ko ni. Lava pe ta me fa panga ta tol wai. I don't need to go collect panga from the chapters, Os tap apitoya. Lava pe sline ko pe will go manage with what we have. That's what it is. We go according to what we have in our hands. We don't want to go way beyond me ta mau. I love my members. Kau chapter kau pasten chapter. I'll see you guys. Kau pasten kau chapter. O kau peke tu no fa ke tu hanga father ke now tol ke tu fa hata nak paanga mo me. No. Osi me akoia. Ko e taulele ak peta to me ako tau mau ma wasilini ke tatongi ai ke tau foi fare. Ko tau le ta to ko ni fele tau ngai foi fale tau to lava peki sistemia develop ngai me ko to ni ke mai to ai paanga mo ta nak paanga mo to peka va mo nana pe mo usi mo ta mai ke kia tilila ke nana ate tilila no fly pari ai ke me ko na fa na ko na bye everyone, my son is calling me.